Hi there, Russ from ProSteamUK here. We're on a carpet clean job at the moment, and what you're looking at is a 80/20 light beige looped carpet, and unfortunately this carpet has been in the wars. It's had some spillages over the years, and what you're looking at here is an area where we haven't actually extracted and an area where we have extracted, so you can see the difference. We can remove the dirt, but we can't remove the damage, and the damage you see here is a stain. Unfortunately the customer has used, we think it's 1001 on this, and the area around that light area has actually been cleaned, okay, and it's sadly it's bleached the wall, it's stripped the colour out the wall, and that's irreversible. That's unfortunately damaged forever, so it doesn't make any sense at all to use off-the-shelf carpet spotting products. There you go.